We are Shane and Annie and we are travelling in Spain in our 40-year-old van. In this episode, we will challenge our old van by exploring the stunning Spanish Pyrenees. Will it make it? Oh my god, Fergus! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are Shane and Annie Vanlife, and today we are going to test the limits of our 1982 Volkswagen T25 van by doing van life for around a week in the Spanish Pyrenees. Fergus, our van, does not like hills. But we are dying to do the Pyrenees. Like, look at these views. There's a lake with super blue water and beautiful mountains. So we wanted to do the Pyrenees after leaving 𝗪𝗪𝗢𝗪. We have to go back to Bilbao to get our van fixed after the accident. Instead of going the way we went to 𝗪𝗪𝗢𝗪, we decided to stop in the Pyrenees for like a week. We are going to see if Fergus can do it. So here's Fergus, and we have Shane, the chef, inside.
Welcome.
What are you making for me?
Tortellines.
Tortellines.
¿Qué quieres? ¿Jamón o queso?
You can mix them. So far, this is what Fergus is looking like, full of muck.
We are testing him to his limits.
There you go, we have brown wheels.
It's a new style.
Nice. Oh my god, Fergus! This is the behind the scenes from all those nice shots that you see of Fergus driving off, me standing outside the van, Shane driving away from me, not knowing if he's gonna stop or just leave me there. It's 7 o'clock right now, literally. And because it's September, end of September, it gets dark just before 8, and especially in the Pyrenees it'll be even darker sooner. So we don't really have that much time to get water and head to Campo. So we have to kind of
Hurry.
Yeah, we have to hurry.
So we've stopped here now, just 2 seconds from where we parked up to gather some water. Annie is just behind me there, gathering up all our jugs and bottles. So this water is going to be used for like our drinking, but also we're going to gather some for a shower. Great thing about Spain, they have these everywhere.
It's gonna take a bit. So that's what we like to see, an empty grey water tank and a full clean water tank. Yay! It's 7:30 and we have to make our way to Campo. And let's see how long it's gonna take. 23 minutes, and I think sunset today is right before 8. So
We just made it to our park up for the night just before it got dark. So there's Fergus behind us, and we're parked right alongside this river, and the whole mountains are behind us. So this is definitely one of the nicest park ups we have had so far. Good morning guys from the Pyrenees. This is day 2 of travelling through the Pyrenees. And right behind us is where we slept last night in Fergus, right alongside this river and all these mountains of the Pyrenees. So we had an incredible night last night. We are on our own, no disturbance. It was so quiet, all you could hear was the river. So this morning, Andy's currently in bed. We're going to get up, have some breakfast, and then we're going to continue on and head further north into the Pyrenees and explore some little towns. Good morning. How'd you sleep?
good, but it's very cold. Take me back to Costa. Nah, no, I like it here.
Yeah, you know it's cold when this is the first time I've worn a jumper in over 3 months.
You look how wrinkled it is.
I pulled this out of the bottom of the wardrobe and I haven't worn a jumper in 3 months. Even the front of the van is all steamed up inside. It is so cold. I felt the water and it's freezing.
Oh no.
Soaking wet.
Shane,
What?
does the van have that feature to clear the window with the hot air pointing at the window?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, does it?
And it's a modern van, it's not like a Porsche car.
Huh? Okay.
It's not like a Porsche. So we're having breakfast here alongside the river and it's absolutely freezing. I'm wearing shorts and sandals.
Why? I don't know. Well, actually, yeah. So Shane has this challenge. He has to wear shorts until next year.
Because I don't like wearing trousers.
but the sandals bit, I don't get. Here's your porridge.
Thank you. So the water is absolutely freezing, but I'm going to get in. Not in fully, but I'm going to get in anyhow.
We stretched a bit by the river before hitting the road again.
We had to move. There's a rafting school behind us, and they've opened up the dam further up the river, and now the water level's rising, so if we had stayed there we would have got swept away.
So we're leaving that beautiful park up we had last night, and now we are heading towards Benasque. So this is like the start of the valley, and we are going to like the last village in the valley. The road might get steep, we're going 700 meters up.
Oh shit.
So the drive to Benasque is absolutely stunning. You're surrounded by mountains, there's turquoise rivers, it's just so beautiful.
It has to be one of the nicest drives you've been on.
Yeah, definitely. So that's the dam that they opened this morning. Look at this. It's like paradise. It doesn't take much to make Shane happy.
Even in the middle of the Pyrenees, you'll find an Irish pub.
We explored the little town of Benasque, which is in the heart of West Pyrenees with just 2,000 inhabitants. Then we treated ourselves to some food.
This is Annie's favourite part of the dinner.
We're living the time of Benasque, stuffed as anything, and now we're looking for a beautiful waterfall that is on top of the mountains, so let's see if we can get to it. Right now we are at 1800 meters. The van is struggling, but it is making it. So we are going at like 20 kilometers per hour. Surprisingly, we have made it. There was one time when I thought the van wasn't going up.
Oh, there was a couple of corners that
were bad. Yeah, because they were like really tight and really steep, but we have made it. If Fergus can do this, he can do anything. The walk to the waterfall wasn't challenging at all, and it was absolutely breathtaking.
So we've made it to the waterfall right behind us there. You can see the bridge is just over there. So very easy hike, only maybe 20-25 minutes, and the views are incredible. Right out there past the tree you have all of the Pyrenees. So right now Annie's just going over the bridge. I'll get a photo, you'll see it on our Instagram right here.
There's not just one waterfall, but there's two waterfalls. This is the smaller one, and now we're gonna go to the bigger one. And we made it to the second waterfall, which is the bigger one. It's so cold.
It's so cold. It doesn't feel like we're in Spain. It's freezing.
Yeah, we've come from 𝗪𝗙𝗥𝗪𝗢, sweating from our eyelids to being here. Crazy!
I'm still in shorts.
Still in shorts, still in sandals for some reason. So yeah, Shane's sticking to his own challenge. The 𝗪𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗀 waterfall is one of the most beautiful corners of the Benasque Valley, and if you're visiting the area, it's definitely a must visit.
We made it back down to Fergus, and now it's time to hit the road again. This time we don't have to go up the hill, we have to go down the hill, so that is a good thing. Fergus will enjoy that, we'll not have to stress him out too much. Make our way all the way back down to the village, and we have to see where we're going to camp tonight.
After exploring the waterfall, it was time to find somewhere to spend the night. It was getting dark, and the views from the mountain were too good, so we found a perfect spot in a viewing point on the way down. So I have thermal blinds on in every window here at the back, all the curtains pulled, and I'm making some hot chocolate. This is too hot. Stay tuned for part 2, where we discover an amazing hot spring, we get checked out by some cows, and we continue pushing Fergus to its limits in the Pyrenees.